What is up, guys? Today is the 18th, and today we're going to be talking about how we market. So, how I do it here, really just plain and simple. When I first started out, I was just posting everything to my regular Facebook page, and that was working out okay. And then I got into the marketplace a little bit. Every now and then, I'll just like throw some stuff out there, especially if like somebody doesn't pick something up, like they make me a flag, and then they back out at the end. I'll just throw their flag out onto the marketplace. It does okay, but vendor shows, guys, I'm telling you, vendor shows just kill it for us, especially here in Princeton, Illinois. Last year we did what was it? Bogio's Orchard, and it's huge. I mean, it was insane how many people were there, and I had a line of people just stretching out, 10 people long, and it was crazy. I had 5 tables set up. I could barely get all the stuff there, but when it was time to pack up, I had no problem. I sold out of everything except for like maybe 3 or 4 flags and some little miscellaneous like scroll saw stuff. But like bottle openers gone, dice gone. But back to the marketing side of it, I market with other, I guess what would you call them, vendors. Because what I do is I talk to them and we have a good sale. We're like, hey, there's another good sale, and then we kind of like bring our people to each other, and that's been helping out a lot. I've gotten a lot of phone calls and messages from people saying like, "Oh, I'm Susie's friend from the lady that makes bags. She said that you do this." And I'm like, "Oh yeah, okay." So my marketing scheme is just a lot of word to mouth. I don't push it too much because I do have a full-time job. And I mean, there's weeks where I work 60 hours, there's weeks where I work 40. I can never really gauge a good time. So I keep my marketing kind of low. Like if money's tight around the house and I need to make a little extra money, I'll put out like, hey, I'm making flags, taking orders, and I'll let myself get busy, but then I'll cut it off. And I don't like being behind I don't like being behind on orders, so I don't let myself get there. But yeah, that's a little bit about the marketing side of things, and mostly just Facebook and word of mouth. That's all I really need for my area. But that'll do it for today's video, guys. I will see you tomorrow. We'll be back here, and we'll have a new topic. So get to work.